Hi friends, good morning. Today we will going to discuss about data communication networking. And this data communication networking already we have discussed or we studied that what is networking. And networking is classified into three parts, that is LAN, WAN and WAN. We will discuss here those three concepts, only those three concepts LAN, WAN and MAN and their features. First of all, I will cover the topics according on this. The content are what is networking, then its classification, after that LAN, and this LAN has three basic design, that is it is designed with respect to star topology, bus topology and ring topology, then WAN connection, and after that MAN connection. Now what is LAN? LAN is local area network, WAN is wide area network and MAN is metropolitan area network. Here, what is networking? A computer network is a communication that allows sharing information and resources. We know that network means it is nothing but a interrelated word to send any information from one place to another place. अगर मुझे कोई भी डेटा एक जगह से दूसरे जगह को सेंड करना है बेटा, ट्रांसमिट करना है या रिसीव करना है, एट दैट टाइम आई टेक द हेल्प ऑफ any system or any device. So that system and that device connection is called as, or the interconnection between the device to device, the transmission of device to devices, I can say like that. This is nothing but a concept of networking. A computer network is a communication that allows sharing information and resources. Here, basing on its structure, basing on its limited area, range or scale, it is divided into three parts, that is LAN, WAN and WAN. Other type of networking is also there, that is personal area network. We can also say that PAN connection, home network or enterprise private network. So on the left side I draw the diagram here. I shown the diagram here. LAN means this is nothing but a within the range of maybe within some meter or some within the 10 meter or something. So that is local area network. We already discussed in the last class. And MAN means metropolitan area network inside the city. And WAN means wide area network or worldwide network is also called as. Okay. Then what is LAN? LAN is nothing but a local area network. A local area network is a computer network that connects computer in a limited area such as home, school, office, building. अगर मेरा कॉलेज कैंपस के अंदर एक कैंपस के अंदर 3-4 बिल्डिंग है, एक जगह से साइबर रूम से एक्टिवेट होता है 3-4 बिल्डिंग के ऑपरेशन, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड इज योर लैन कनेक्शन. ओके, इनसाइड ए office campus there is 2 to 3 office buildings, so all office building has connected interconnected with each other, or otherwise some office are in a single tower but there is different floors, first floor, second floor, ground floor, all are connected interconnected with each other. That is called as your LAN connection. A LAN is useful for sharing resource like files, printers, games and other application. With the help of this LAN connection, we can share our files, documents, we can take print out, or we can deal the games, etc. So the LAN connection is basically connected like this. There is many computer connected with each other in a basic manner. Here the network LAN is connected or follow these three topology, that is star topology, bus and ring topology. This is nothing but a star topology LAN connection. In a star network, devices are connected to a central computer called hub. Star में जो center में जो point होता है and the middle, that is called as hub. Hub, all the computers, all the devices are connected to the hub. Through computer one, if I will transmit the, if I want to transmit the information from computer 1 to 10, so first of all I will transmit the data from 1 to 10, sorry 1 to hub, and hub will transmit the data from hub to computer number 10. Nodes communicate across the network by passing data through the hub. Through the hub I can transmit the data. Okay. Then ring topology. In this ring topology, a local area network whose topology is a ring, that is all of the nodes are connected in a closed loop. In a basic closed loop are considering in ring topology, masses travel around the ring which each node reading those masses addressed to it. Means if I want to transmit for example use computer 1 or user 1 to user number 4 or 5, I have to transmit the data user 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. It is nothing but a sequential data. It may be in the form of clockwise or it may be in the form of anti-clockwise, but we have to transmit the data or it will travel around the ring. Around the ring it will travel. With each node reading those message addressed to it. Then the next LAN connection is your bus topology. In network, a bus is the central cable. In a bus topology, there is a central cable. This central cable is connected each and every device. It may be computer, it may be printer, it may be your digital device, it may be many computer, or it may be your router. In networking, a bus is the central cable, the main wire that connect all the devices on a local area network. It is also called the backbone. Okay, this is often used to describe the main network connection composing the internet. Bus network are relatively inexpensive and easy to install for small network. The system use a bus topology. Basically, in a building, if all computers are in a same sequence, or in a laboratory of a classroom, or sorry, in a laboratory in a college, or a classroom in a college was using this type of bus topology connection. Then advantages of LAN. Basically, LAN's advantages are resource sharing. You can share the resource. Email, security. Okay, I have written here 2 times security, sorry. Next one is cost and next one is speed. So here the advantages of LAN connection is resource share. We can share the resource. Email is very easy. It is very secure, and cost wise is also it is cheap. It is not so much high or expensive, and speed wise is also it is good. Then what is the main drawback or disadvantage of LAN connection? The first drawback is it has huge number of cables. Cable may break, then we can't first of all recorrect it. We will check each and every cable of the topology. It may be bus topology, it may be star, it may be ring topology. We have to check each and every connection. File server may break, needs administrative time and expensive to install. A single time installment cost is high. Then WAN connection. WAN is nothing but a wide area network. A WAN spans a large geographical area such as a state, country. A WAN connects multiple smaller networks such as local area network or metropolitan area network. It is nothing but a WAN connection is a combination of many LAN connection or many your MAN connection. It is a worldwide network, so the whole world or whole wide area range is divided into smaller part, and each smaller part consisting of a LAN connection. I have defined in the below. The smaller part is consisting or designed as a LAN connection. The combination of many LAN connection is called as WAN. Then the types of WAN connection: SD-WAN, X25, SONET, Ledged line, ISDN, frame relay, DSL, dial-up, cable modem and HF. All those things are nothing but the example or application of WAN connection or types of WAN connection. The next one is MAN connection. MAN means metropolitan area network. A metropolitan area network is a network that interconnected users with computer resources in a geographical area or region that covered by even a large local area network, but smaller area network is covered by WAN. Basically, I can say that this MAN connection, LAN connection means a local area network. within a meter or something, and MAN connection is considered with the help of some kilometers, and WAN connection is a combination of many MAN connection is also, or I can say that connection with respect to city is called as metropolitan area network. It is used for interconnection of several local area network by bringing them within a range.